Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Facebook on iPhone. To temporarily deactivate your Facebook account, so open the Facebook app and sign in. Next, tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Next, select Settings. Next, at the top, select Account Center. Then in here, scroll down and select Manage Accounts. Next, select or choose your Facebook account, then click Manage. Then click deactivation or deletion. Then in here, select deactivate account. So deactivating your account is just temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. So you'll be able to continue using Messenger only. So click continue. So put in your password to confirm. Click continue and follow the prompts. So choose a reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. Then scroll down and select continue. Now scroll down and click continue. Then select deactivate my account. So again, deactivation is temporary. Your profile is hidden, but you can reactivate it anytime by logging back in. So deletion is permanent after Facebook's grace period and removes your account and data. And that's basically it.